So I'm going to demonstrate how to make a FLIPPAZ card. They're pretty easy to make. All you're going to need is a pair of scissors, a pencil, any kind of pencil will do, a marker pen, and a hole punch. You can see here I've got a single hole punch. And you're also going to need, of course, either an A4 piece of paper or a piece of card. Mine's a bit of card. Now with an A4 piece of paper or card, you should be able to make 4 good sized FLIPPAZ cards. And this is how it works. So you get your card and you fold it into quarters. Once you have your card folded into quarters, you need your pair of scissors and you're going to cut out these 4 different cards. Okay, so for that section, accuracy is not essential, but it is desirable. And you can see here, I've got pretty much 4 equally sized cards. Now, these cards are going to each become a single FLIPPAZ card. And this is what you do next. You take a card and you just fold it in half. Now, you do want these to be as accurate as you can make them. And I like to make the fold a little bit more definite by just going over the edge with my scissors handles, and now you've got a bit more of a better fold there than I had before. So I'm just going to make one for now. So let's put a question on one side of my card, a simple question, and I've got room for another question on the back here. Now that I've got my 2 questions, I need to put in answers because this is a multi-choice question card. So I need to put the choices down. So I'll put them in here. I'll put the optional answers, the possible answers. And I will do the same for this question, what is the capital city of New Zealand? So I will just put in some holes for the answers. You have to make sure though that you don't put holes that will be over the holes that you've made already. So I like to hold this up to the light a little bit, and I can see by looking carefully that the holes are here. I can see through the card. So I'll make sure that I definitely don't put a hole over the other hole. See, that's a good one. There's another one here. I've got 3 holes there. So the next step, I put the answer options down here as well. I only need 3 answer options. Auckland, Christchurch, and Wellington. And now I'm ready to indicate which one of these options is correct for both sides. The correct option here is this one right here. So I indicate it's correct. So I put a dot in the circle right next to the correct answer, and the same on this side. I put a dot in the hole next to the correct answer. That when I'm using these cards, this is how it works now. I grab the card, read the question, what is the capital city of New Zealand? I make a selection, one of these, and I can check. And the correct answer will have a dot in its hole. So in this case, it's Wellington. Same goes for the other side. 8 plus 6, I make a choice in my mind from the options that are available, close the card, and I can see that the correct answer is indicated. And that's how you make a FLIPPAZ card.